Installing the Devil's Eye could not be easier. All you need is one fundamental hand tool. And optionally, you could also use, all you need the drill for is to give yourself a pilot hole in case you're going into something that's fragile or you don't want the nail on the Devil's Eye to split the wood. So you can drill a pilot hole. It makes it a little easier to put in. But if it's just an old fence post or something like that, the hammer will take care of everything. If you don't want to risk splitting a piece of plywood like on this squirrel feeder, just take a normal drill, 1/8 inch drill bit, and pre-drill a small hole for your target. That'll make installation a lot easier and a lot less likely to split. Now, you can just take your target, stick it in the hole you pre-drilled, tap it in. I've got a great backstop in this giant black oak. We're good to go. Get yourself a bunch of these and some of these. Don't forget one of these. You can even mount them to an old post. That's all it takes. Scrap wood, you got an impromptu range.